Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Moises World. This video is going to be not a very long one, basically about how does a visually impaired person or someone that can't see use a laptop. So I'll just show you today's video on how to get the laptop started for someone who's visually impaired or legally blind. Please watch the video till the end, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Anyway, here I go. It's my laptop. And I also have a wireless keyboard, so it's easier because this keyboard has 101 keys on it, so that's preferable for someone that's using screen reading software. So I'll turn the laptop on first of all, and the software I use is called JAWS, stands for Job Access with Speech. That's what I will use. It's called a screen reader. So what it does is it uses voice
JAWS for Windows
to tell you what's happening on the screen. So first, I'll press the Enter key, and just wait a second. Sorry, I have to turn the keyboard on first. It's got a little switch on/off button. So
JAWS for Windows sign dash in, pin password edit, type in text.
So type in my pin number. So there's a numlock key, which is the fourth key from the right on the 101 numerical keypad. So I press that. Numlock on. So now type in my
start sign dash in options link. Welcome. JAWS for Windows.
So you can hear that. So now the laptop has turned on, and JAWS is using its voice, synthesized voice, to tell me what's happening. So right now it's on the JAWS icon, professional version JAWS, and JAWS is a product of a company called Freedom Scientific. So anyone that's visually impaired and would like to purchase a screen reader or screen reading software, they can go to Freedom Scientific and look at their website. Okay, now once I'm on the desktop, if I press the Alt Tab key, it tells me it's on JAWS. Now if I want to get to the actual desktop where the icons are, I have a shortcut key here, which is using a combination of the Windows and D key. Because for someone who's visually impaired, using a mouse is very difficult, so we rely on the keyboard in most cases. So the Windows key is the second key from the right. There's a on the bottom left-hand corner of the keyboard is the Control key. On the right of that is called the Windows key. So if I press that together with the letter D.
Windows D, folder view, list view, not selected, IP 1 to 47.
So that's told me there's 47 items on the desktop. Now to go to the items, if I press the arrow keys, as most people would use a mouse, it tells you what the next one is. I'll show you.
Moist 2, 10 to 47.
Moist 2.
S21, 18 to 47.
Tells you what number is there as well.
Abdullah and Moises dancing video.mp4, 19 to 47. 19 to 4. Abdullah and list of one item. Close button. L. S. FS and CH sleep. Trend micro maximum security installer, 41 to 47.
So you got an idea of how I get through there. Also, you can press a letter, which will take you quickly to the icon. For example, if I press letter M,
Microsoft Edge,
Microsoft Edge,
M 440, M6, 5, MM1, Mo1, Moise1.
So Moise1, that's one of my folder, one of my icons, which is probably a folder.
Moise 2, Moise Spartan, Moises Photos, 12 of 40, Moises World. 13.
So I've got Moises World there as well. If I press the letter S,
S1, S2, S21, Seek, 30,
Seek.
40.
So there's a Seek website there as well, which is an employment searching website. Now also, I can put increase and decrease the volume using certain shortcut keys, which you need to set up. So don't worry about that too much.
36.
I'll put that to 36% volume. Also, if I want to check the time, press the insert key. If I press that with F12,
Pause.
sorry,
12:25 p.m.
12:25. So we have shortcut keys for someone who's visually impaired. So there are Windows keys and there are JAWS keys. So I'm using JAWS keys as a shortcut instead of the mouse. If I want to check how much battery is left on my laptop, the shortcut key using JAWS is, for example, insert, what was it? Let me just double check. Insert Shift and the letter B, I think.
Battery 55%. Time remaining : belong 49 F840. Internet access.
So belong is just my internet provider basically. So it said 55%. So again, that was the insert key, which is on the numerical keypad with the shift key and the letter B.
Battery 55%.
So you've seen that. And if I press the tab key, it'll go to the next set of things. So on the screen. So I'll just show you.
Start button to open.
That start button. So again, like anyone, just pressing what you want to do. For example, I'll press the letter B.
B.
On this.
Escape. Cortana. B. Box game bar. Add L.
Bluetooth or whatever. So we all know that.
Escape.
Press the tab key.
Taskbar Microsoft Edge button. The notification chevron button. Show desktop button to activate. Press
Again, back
bar.
to show desktop. So I can press spacebar.
Space. Folder view list.
And check that.
30.
If I want to stop JAWS talking for any reason, if I'm using an app, the JAWS command for that is the control key. So for example, I'll show you.
Toolkit 39 of C 30.
See, I'll press the control key and stop talking. I can also go down to the bottom, which is the, I think it's the task menu or something. So if I press, for example, the Windows key with the letter B,
B. Windows B notification chevron button to act.
then I'll press the arrow keys.
System tray meet now button. Belong 49 F840. Internet speaker : 37. Tray input.
So
English left.
This way I can toggle between different things using the JAWS software, which is a way of telling you what's happening on the screen. So going back, and now if I want to shut down the computer, press the tab key.
Show desktop button to act. Folder view list view C 38 of 47.
So that's again back to the desktop. Now I'll shut down the computer. So I'll press Alt F, which is a shortcut to shut down while I'm on the desktop.
Alt F4, shut down Windows dialog. Select the option that best describes why you want to shut down the computer. What do you want the computer to do? Combo box, shut down, 4 of 5. To change.
So that's number 4 out of 5 in the list. If I press the up arrow,
sleep, 3 of 5.
Sleep,
sign out, 2 of 5.
2 of 5.
Switch user, 1 of 5.
So switch user.
Sign out, sleep, 3 of 5. Shut down, 4 of restart, 5 of 5.
And restart 5 of 5. So obviously I don't want to restart the computer, so shut down. Press the up arrow.
Shut down, 4 of 5.
And then press the enter key.
Enter, desktop, folder view list view. JAWS for Windows 38 of 47. To move the items, use the arrow.
So now the computer is shutting down. It might take a few seconds. So that's how I use the computer, being legally blind or visually impaired, so to speak. And I just wanted to show you this, how someone that's visually impaired can use the computer. And in my next video, I'll show you how I use Outlook or email, and how I do that using JAWS again. So guys, hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please give me feedback, just to show you how someone who's visually impaired can access technologies like computers and stuff like that. And it's all, these days things are getting better with accessibility as well. So thanks for watching. Until next time guys, have a great day and catch you guys soon. See ya.